We're at Thruxton. What's it known as? Fastest track. Fastest track in the UK. As worn by. Give me sexy, Derwin.
Race one?
Yeah, race one.
Jake Hill.
Jake. I like you. Of course I'll take a photo. Why have you bought us Basics toothpaste?
Because
Do we look like basic men to you? Derwin's had a, what we say, a spray shower.
Geordie shower.
Yeah, Geordie. I'm hoping they've left the keys in one of them. Wow. Oh!
Bullseye!
Hey!
Bullseye!
They're ringing a bell. This is what they... Oh, it's taken off his bullseye. It don't count. You're a bit too good at that. I've had a bit of problem with my shoulder.
Yeah, you do.
You beat me. How can I edit that to make it look like I won? Hello.
Got asked for an autograph
What?
by a little girl.
You did?
Yeah, she asked me. She went like that with her shirt. She went, "Can you sign my shirt?"
Did you sign it?
Didn't sign it.
You didn't? Do you think you were a driver?
Yeah, she must have. I walked out of hospitality. She was like, "Sign my shirt."
This is brilliant. Celeb. Right, here we go.
Does he know what he's doing?
I don't know. I don't know if I know what I'm doing. You're the only one that does.
I'm not sure I know.
Try not to wreck it, mate.
You alright, mate? Have a day off.
It's hard out there. Sam, what do you think about there only being 2 showers in the whole of Thruxton?
It's going to be cosy.
It is, isn't it? I don't think there is more. I think that's it. 2 showers. We'll have to bundle in one.
It was really good. Scared? As soon as it started playing, I was like, that's cool. I knew exactly what it was. I love their M stuff. Right. So I was like, that's so good. I've got to see picture. Yeah, I wonder if he's seen it. He's so fit in the box. I was like, can't give me the car. We're like, we'll put him in a box. There we go.
There he is. He's out of the box. Oh, that's the sign off of the vlog. That is.
Yeah.
On to Croft.